Hello and welcome to Rail and Rail Enthusiast and another one in our series along the railway line on the Abbey Line. And today I'm at Garston. And you can find Garston between Watford North and Bricket Wood. Garston was opened in 1966 and was probably the first new station to be opened on the UK railway network after the Beeching Report. A single platform station, it has always had a halt style about it. It was improved in 2010 with new signage and shelter. This was further enhanced with artwork from the local Berry Grove Primary School. More artwork has appeared at the station and a community garden is planned. Let's take a look around. Okay, I'm going to look at Garston and conventionally start at platform level, and I think you'll get the idea why in a moment. Anyway, so I'm a little bit further down on the platform here. Just turn around. There we go. As all of on the line, painted up lovely, well looked after. You've got your information posters here. One here for the Abbey Line. Just there is a waiting shelter. Going past the right hand exit, you will see a help point. And then more posters can be seen as you travel up the platform. Turning down the right hand side exit, you will go down this small walkway. This will take you past the direction of travel board. And here you'll also find the electronic ticketing machine. This new station sign looks great, as does the aforementioned artwork here on the wall to the entrance to the station. The posters here advertise the soon-to-be created community garden. At the top of this ramp is the LED information board. Now let's go down the left-hand side exit and you will see an onward travel information board, as well as lots more artwork which really brightens up this walkway. Turn around and you will see where the proposed community garden could be placed. Hopefully when our next visit this will have become a reality. At time of filming, passenger services are provided by Class 350 electric multiple units. The statistics for Garston are that it opened in 1966. It currently at time of filming has 1 train per hour, with more during the peak times. And the entry and exit figures for 2022-2023 were 41,906. Garston is a small but interesting station on the Abbey Line. The improvements they want to make to it, including the little garden, is going to be a fantastic addition and should be well worth coming back and having a look at once it's been completed. Everything you need is here, including a waiting shelter, help point and ticketing. It is very well looked after, as all of them have been on this Abbey Line, and yeah, come and have a look at it. It's a nice little gem. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, comment and subscribe. And if you can, get out there, get on the railway and see where it takes you. Thanks very much for watching.